Hello children, welcome back to your reasoning classes. Let us start today's video. Class 3, Subject Reasoning, Chapter 24, Coding and Decoding, Lecture number 1. Children, this is our new chapter, that is Coding and Decoding, and in this series, this is our lecture number 1. In this lecture, we are going to learn what is coding and decoding. Before providing you examples, let me explain you what is coding and decoding. Coding is a process used to encrypt a word, a number in a particular code or pattern based on some set of rules, and same word is needed to decode, that is known as decoding. Okay, so coding एक ऐसी प्रोसेस होती है जिसमें किसी भी वर्ड को, किसी भी नंबर को पर्टिकुलर कोड में इनक्रिप्ट किया जाता है. ओके, उसको कोड किया जाता है जिसमें हम कुछ रूल्स फॉलो करते हैं, कुछ पैटर्न फॉलो करते हैं. ओके, सम ऑफ द रूल्स, सम ऑफ द पैटर्न्स आर फॉलोड. दिस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सेम रूल एंड पैटर्न, that word is needed to be decoded. That is known as decoding. So here we have learned what is coding and decoding. Let us see the examples. Okay children, now let us take some examples. Example number 1. In a certain code, TIGER is written as UJHFS. How is FISH written in that code? In the same code, how FISH will be written? TUBH, UYHI, GJTI or WERT. You have to choose the correct answer. So let us see what is the relation between both the words, how these both are interconnected, and how this coding and decoding is done. T, U, I, J, G, H. If you will notice, then you will get to know this is the continuation of letters. T, T के बाद U, I, J, G, H, E, F, R, S. So how this is written in that code? It is continuation of letters. So F के बाद G, here is G, I, J, S, T, H, I. So it is the correct answer. You will have to tick it, G, J, T, I. Next is example number 2. In a certain code, ROAR is written as TQCT. How is GOLD written in that code? Option A, TYUI, option B, RTYU, option C, IQNF, option D, PQRS. So let us see. RT, RST. R, S is skipped, then T. O, P skipped, Q. A, B skipped, C. R, S skipped, T. So one letter is skipped. So G, H, I. H skipped, I. Which word is starting from I? This one. But not necessary कि correct हो. Let us match with the all word, all alphabets. O, P, Q, L, M, N, D, E, F. Okay, like this we have to do. So here the answer would be I, Q and F. C is the correct answer. You have to tick it, as well as in this one you have to make a sign of tick. Let us take homework. Decode the following coded words. Question number 1. In a certain code, air is written as RIA? How is TEAM written in that code? These are the options. Second one, in a certain code, SLEEVE is written as TLFEUE. How is leave written in that code? These are the options. Next is question number 3 and question number 4. This is question number 5. Options are given below. You have to tick the correct option according to the connection between given words. So you have to choose the correct one. Place a tick also. Okay, children? It was your homework. Complete the following analogy. Analogy we did in the previous chapter. Question number 1. Pen is to writer as brush is to dash. Pen is related to writer as brush is to dash. ब्रश किससे रिलेटेड है? वैसे ही तो पेन को राइटर यूज करता है, ब्रश को कौन यूज करता है? ऑथर, आर्टिस्ट, डॉक्टर और प्लम्बर. सो ब्रश इज यूज्ड बाय आर्टिस्ट, वो पेंटिंग करता है. हियर वी विल राइट आर्टिस्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. मैन इज टू मैन, वुमेन इज टू वुमेन, गर्ल, मैन, वुमेन. मैन इज टू मैन. दिस इज द सिंगुलर फॉर्म, दिस इज द प्लूरल फॉर्म. This is the singular form. Woman का plural क्या होगा? Women. So this one is the right answer, and here we will write the correct one. Cat is to mouse as dog is to. Cat का favorite food mouse. So cow का favorite food buffalo, book, sky or grass. That is grass. Question number 4 and 5. Sit is to sat as sing is to dash. सिट का आंसर होता है सैट. मीन्स सिट की सेकंड फॉर्म सैट होती है और सिंग की सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब्स आपने किए ना, तो सिंग की सेकंड फॉर्म इज सैंग. हियर वी विल राइट सैंग. म्यूजिक इज टू लिसन एज टीवी इज टू. म्यूजिक को आप लिसन करते हो, टीवी को आप क्या करते हो? वॉच. हियर वी विल राइट वॉच. So I hope children you have got the lecture completely. Still if you have any confusion you can ask to me in the online classes. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.